Hi, I hope you are doing well. Zubayer here, and today we will set up Tally from submission tracking through Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to set up Google Ad conversion tracking for Tally from using Google Tag Manager, and you already know that we need Google Tag Manager account, we need a Tally from, and then we need a Google Ads account. So I have the Google Tag Manager, Google Ads, Tally, everything I have. This is the Google Tag Manager that we're gonna use. So let me preview to show you. Okay, yeah. Okay, it is connecting, and let me show you that this form is working as a iframe. So this is the teleform and this is working as a iframe in here, and actually this is the frame source and it is also connected. Okay, now we can see this is the actual form, and we will set up the tracking using a JavaScript listener. So we have the listener code here, this one, the listener code, yeah. And this listener code will listen the from submission, then send a custom event on the data layer, then we will use the data layer code and custom event to track the from submission. So let me test it, as we already have the listener code set up, so we can test it. So just let me test, and we have to fix the phone number. Now we can test it, submit. We should get a custom event on the preview. So data layer, it is working. Now we can create a custom trigger using the event, then we can set up Google Ad conversion tracking. Maybe I already have it. Yeah, I already have it. This is the trigger. So just we have to create the tag. So let's create it. At first we need a Google Ad conversion linker, this one. Then trigger will be the all pages, so conversion linker. Then we need to create a goals on the Google Ad to use the label and ID. Let me create one. So create conversion action, then we need the website URL, yes, scan. Okay, this is scanning. Okay, now we have to add the conversion action manually. So add conversion action manually, then it is a submit lead form, so it is Tally lead. Then once we don't gonna use the enhance conversion, so we can skip it, then done, then save it. Now we will get the label and ID. So this one, the conversion ID. We have to create a conversion tag on the Google Tag Manager, then we have to use the conversion ID here, then conversion label here. Okay, this one, the conversion label. Okay, conversion label. Now we need to create a Google tag. Just create here, create tag, then save it. No need to edit anything here. So it's working. Now trigger will be the Tally from submission. Okay, then Tally from Google Ads. Save it. Okay, oh sorry, my mistake. We have to conversion label here. So save it, then preview Tally from. Now we can test it. Before doing it, let me done here. Now we can test again. So yeah, then again let me fix the phone number. Oh, we have to select the country, that is Bangladesh. Now it should work, then submit. Okay, submitted. Now I am getting the custom event here, and the tag is fired. So now we can test it here. It is Tally, so Tally from inactive, but after reloading the page it should be work. Okay, it is working. Nice. Now we have successfully set up the Tally from conversion tracking for Google. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.